What's up, y'all? Day 11 now. This is literally just back to back. Just posting these out real quick, so I can, post some stuff for the weekend. Get some TikToks running out. Why the fuck did I just say that? But yeah, just gonna break down the trade we took today. We won today about 420. I'll just say 415. Pretty great trade. Gonna break it down, show you how my strategy has been working, show you what would happen if I didn't take my strategy. You're just gonna see a breakdown. So, going in to market, we had news today at 7 and 5:30. Not red folder news, so I'm willing to trade before it. So if we just mark this out, what do we have? We had highs here. This is for NASDAQ. Highs here, and highs there. And then we're obviously very, very, very bearish here because way, way above equilibrium, right? We want price to push down. Now, on the 1 hour, we can literally see the exact same thing. This is simply it, right? And then we have, fair value gap all the way down here. So what do I want price to do? I want price to plummet. I'm looking to get sells in here because we're so far in a premium that price needs to drop. Yes. ES looks a little different. We can see that price. Oh, whoops. So the price is targeting, these highs up here. We have once again fair value gap down here. Like say you're targeting this point that it touched. 4 hour looks a little similar. This is what we're looking like on, the NASDAQ. I mean the S&P. We can just say this order block. This is what we're looking at, right? So scale down. What was I looking for? Once again, I want price to sweep the point I want, and I want a reaction, retest, entry, right? NASDAQ. What was I looking for? I'm looking for take a trade on NASDAQ right now, or in the market I was, because we can see obviously we have a pretty clear S&P divergence on the hourly. We have this. This is like a major one. This is a lot more extreme than normal. Right, obviously 11 of this, super bullish, and then the S&P, super bearish. So I'm looking to take trades in the NASDAQ as fast as possible because we're bearish on both of them. But NASDAQ's obviously lagging behind the S&P. What does price do? Goes up even higher, takes out pretty much all-time highs, gives us a reaction. What did I want again? Wanted a reaction back up. Did we get it here? Nope, we got it right here. And then what I want from there? I want a reaction. I wanted any sort of entry on 1 minute. S&P, I guess we could have taken something on the S&P, but I purely took it off the NASDAQ because the S&P didn't have an S&P divergence, and the NASDAQ did. So, looking for break of structure. Where did we get it? We got it right. Oh wait, I forgot this actually happened. Price went a little higher. I think this was 4 hour highs. If it's not, then I was wrong. But I could be correct here that this is 4 hour highs. Or an hourly imbalance or something. Yes, it was. What did price do? Price went all the way back up once again to this hourly high. Now I'm looking for an entry again. One move up, that's all I wanted. One move up. Anytime. Or wait, what? Am I dumb? Where the hell is my entry? Oh no, wait, this is my entry. What was I? What am I thinking? I don't even know what I was thinking. Sorry. Swept all-time highs, went down, gave us a reaction, went above this. I was still willing to go off this, even though we broke structure. I was okay with taking a trade because, we had this pretty extreme SP divergence. SP divergence is a lot more kind of subtle than this. This was pretty absurd. So I was really looking to place a trade on this because we got everything we wanted, right? Had this reaction up. Sorry, my bad. This was a trade here. Waiting for our break of structure. Got our break. Here. What did I want? Just a quick, easy retest, and that was it. That was it. Touched into this order block right here. Entered here. I put stops right above, I want to say it was this. Yeah, I did. I put stops right above here because this was the order block that, we reacted off of. We got this big drop. And this is where messed up a little bit here. This is where I messed up a little bit. I entered a little late. I entered probably about here because, or about here because my trading broker was not working. It was being weird. It was bugging out. So, price into breaking structure. Tried to place a trade, couldn't. So I ended up entering probably about here. So, price shot to take profit pretty much instantly. Right, hit here, but then you see this candle here? I stayed in it because I was like, maybe price will go a little lower. If it doesn't, I'm gonna exit out because I hit my take profit, and I'll be okay with like a 1-to-1. But what did price do? Price went all the way down here, all the way down here, and I exited the second it just wicked down. So I probably closed about here. So that's how I made 420 instead of 300. So that was something smart I did, even though I did something stupid earlier, which was enter a little late. So, was this a good trade? I think that, this was a good trade. I think that it was kind of weird because, the closest long-term liquidity point was all the way down here. So, could I have targeted this? Yes, because what did price do? Price ended up hitting this. You'll see price just absolutely fucking plummeted. You'll see. Yeah, price just killed to the downside. So could I have waited? Yes. Do I really want to have a 4-to-1 risk to reward TP1? No, that's fucking stupid. So I'm fine with this trade. I don't know what I would have targeted anyways. Price was just kind of absurd here, so I was like, you know what? I'm taking my win, whether or not it goes far or not. I don't really take profits. A little weird. I think what I should have done is maybe to have take profit be, equilibrium level. I could have gone off equilibrium, which would have been this, which would have been, a lot nicer of a point. So then what I could have done is could have targeted this, right, and then put stops above here. Could have been almost 3-to-1 risk to reward at a pretty manageable point that price is going to want to go to. So if I did do anything differently, I wish I aimed for this. What else? Because I'm trying to make sure my take profits is more than just around, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. I want it to be a point that price is actually going to hit. Anything else I could have done differently? Just make sure to kind of enter at the right time, especially because we entered late. We had to deal with this. Wouldn't have happened if I just simply entered at the right time. I think your intuition was good, especially with this, even though price hit another high. Intuition was good because we got a reaction here. Stayed in the fucking SP divergence. got a reaction. Yeah, I'd say it's a good trade. Would take it again. But next time, just kind of focus on a better take profit. That's that. Understand the strategy now a little better. And yeah, hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will see you ready on, I think, Monday. Yeah, we can trade a lot this week. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday.